Hi, it's Emily from WTI. My husband and I built an overlanding trailer this summer, and when we came across this titanium portable folding tent stove from FIREHIKING, we knew that this would be amazing to take with us. There are a few things that make an ultralight titanium stove exceptional and why it should be a part of everybody's camping, backpacking, and even emergency kit. This FIREHIKING ultralight titanium stove is only 3.4 pounds. It breaks down very compactly, super easy to add to your car or trailer for overlanding, camping, fishing, hunting, etc. This stove sets up in a very simple but innovative fashion. It's very intuitive, so it's not at all hard to figure out how to put it together. I love that it has a glass window viewing unit, which makes it even more appealing for watching your fire. It keeps a fire enclosed, which is safe. The titanium design also makes it very conducive to cooking. We found that we could boil water in a kettle on this stove in a matter of a very few short minutes. It creates a very hot fire. FIREHIKING thought of everything. They included the titanium stovepipe, 8 feet, a damper stovepipe, a pair of cut-resistant gloves, and this lovely storage bag. Not only is it lovely and enjoyable to be able to have a quick and hot fire with this ultralight titanium stove, it gives me so much peace of mind to have this in my emergency gear. I am so impressed not just with the innovative, beautiful design, but also with how functional and useful this is. We're thrilled with it. I think you will be too, but that's my point of view.